On one of our recent camping trips, we decided to use a meal starter kit from PlantPure. It's the Caribbean beans. We had made it one time before, so I was familiar with the directions and the ingredients. First, you chop some celery. I also decided to add some red pepper and onion. It's not called for in the recipe, but I knew I would like the flavor added to the ingredients. Add all those chopped vegetables to your pot that's on medium heat. And this is going to cook without any oil. If you're worried about it sticking, just add a little splash of water. There's a splash of water to keep it from sticking. And then you're just going to cook those until the vegetables are translucent. I also added some extra seasoning from Well Your World, their Fiesta Fire blend. You can get it from their website. I added about a tablespoon. We like our food kind of spicy, so that's why I added it. You're going to just let this cook down and then add the water called for in the recipe. And then once that's cooking, you're going to add the mix, Caribbean beans. You're just going to pour it all in. It has the dehydrated black beans, some rice, and spices. And you're going to give that a good stir to get it all mixed in with the vegetables. Here are the ingredients you can see. All healthy ingredients. Give it a good stir. And you're going to bring it to a boil. And then you're going to simmer it as the directions call for, 20 to 22 minutes. You want to test it at that point to see if the beans are soft, and the rice as well. So turn it down low, put your lid on, and set your timer for 20 minutes so you can test it. And this is what it will look like when it's all finished. Vegetables kind of float to the top, give it a good stir. The recipe makes a large batch, so we divided it into 2 pans, one for camping. We added some medium salsa, about half a cup, because we like to add more spice. And then we were ready to pack it away. The next day on our campsite for dinner, we had that pan. We heated it up on our camp stove and served it up in our wooden bowls with some avocado, cilantro, and extra salsa. My husband's squeezing some lime on his. It is so delicious and so easy. I hope you give it a try.